Yeah, hi. In this tutorial we are learning purchase return entry in Tally. Now the purchase return entry in the Tally will be done in our debit note. So how it goes on, this is the gateway of Tally. You have to go to accounting voucher, and for debit note you have to press Control F9 over here. And this screen will appear, or elsewise your screen will be like this as voucher, but we want as invoice. So you have to press Control V for as invoice. Now what is the debit note date? For the customer it will be credit note, first it will be debit note. The date is 1st November, F2 1st November 2019. Original invoice number is AS7485, AS7485, and the date is 2nd October. Enter. Party name is Patel. Enter. This is which ledger? Now this comes, now since there is no tax over here, and it is from the other state. Our state is Gujarat, and it is interstate. So interstate GST exempted will be there. Here there is no tax, and here it is from interstate. So we'll select purchase interstate exempt, and what we are returning, cumin. How much? 4 kg. Then we are returning isabgol, that is also 4 kg. Enter. So here it is. So our debit note is good to go. Press enter. Provide GST detail, yes. Reason for issuing note, that is sales return. Enter. And here for the other party it will be sales return. The date will be 2nd October. Enter. So in this way we have done it. Now we will do one more entry. Before doing one more entry, you just create this purchase order over here, and this purchase order is there with tax. If you create this purchase order, then only this purchase invoice, then only you are ready to do the another entry. I'm just pausing, you just pause it, and you just do this purchase invoice ka entry. Now after doing that purchase entry, now you can make a debit note of this item. On which date it is? It is on 1st November. This is also is on 1st November. What is the invoice number? Invoice number is 0473. What is the date? Date is 2nd October. What is the party name? Jay. Enter. And this is which purchase ledger? We are purchased from the same state, yes, and we had paid the taxation also. So this is purchase GST. Enter. Name of the item is Panasonic P100. How much is the quantity? 1 piece. Enter. Then one more item, Panasonic, I think 101. Yes, it is. Enter. Just write down the quantity, 1 piece. Yeah. So both the items we have entered. Then press enter. End of the list, come out from it. Now provide the taxation. It's state SGST has come automatically, and central GST also came automatically, and round off also. So here you can do for first we have done interstate exempted. Now second entry we had learned, that is purchase GST. So the procedure is the same. There's no much difference in it, only the taxation part is there. Provide GST details, yes. It is sales return. Supply debit and credit note number. What is the debit note? And earlier we had missed out, I think, this part. So this is the credit note number 0852. On which date? It is on 2nd October. Press enter, and yeah, this is good to go. Our purchase GST debit note also has been ready. So in this way you can do it. So it's very simple debit note. So there is nothing much to do it. It is the simple procedure you need to follow, and I had explained you what is the procedure. Hope you had understood the video. Thank you.